Welcome to Remitano Learn. In today's episode, we will explore the advantages of using stablecoins in your daily transactions. Stablecoins have become increasingly popular in the world of cryptocurrencies due to their stability and security. Let's dive into the main benefits of incorporating stablecoins into your everyday operations. Stablecoins are digital currencies designed to maintain a fixed value relative to a traditional currency, such as the US dollar. Unlike other cryptocurrencies, stablecoins are less volatile and their value doesn't fluctuate as much. This makes stablecoins an attractive option for those looking to conduct daily transactions without worrying about the volatility of conventional cryptocurrencies. Additionally, stablecoins offer other advantages, such as lower transaction fees and enhanced privacy. Transactions with stablecoins are fast and secure, making them a popular choice, especially for individuals seeking quick and seamless international transfers. In summary, stablecoins provide a valuable tool for those seeking a secure and stable alternative to traditional currencies. With their fixed value and ease of accessibility, they offer an excellent way to simplify and enhance online payments. One of the primary concerns for crypto investors is the stability of a currency's value. Fluctuations in value can be unpredictable and have a significant impact on personal finances. This is where stablecoins have gained popularity in recent years. Designed to maintain a stable value, usually pegged to a fiat currency like the US dollar or euro, stablecoins assure users that their value won't fluctuate significantly. This provides greater security and stability in transactions. In summary, stability in currency value is a key advantage of using stablecoins and one of the reasons they are gaining worldwide popularity. One of the significant advantages of using stablecoins is the elimination of intermediaries and associated costs. Intermediaries like banks charge high fees for processing transactions, resulting in financial loss for users. By utilizing stablecoins, we can bypass these intermediaries and conduct transactions more directly and efficiently. Furthermore, stablecoin transactions are faster and more secure, saving time and reducing uncertainty. Ultimately, stablecoins offer an excellent option for those seeking a safer, faster, and more cost-effective alternative to traditional transactions. Transactions with stablecoins are much faster than those conducted with traditional currencies, as they do not require the involvement of financial intermediaries. This means that transactions can be completed within seconds, making stablecoins ideal for online purchases and daily payments. In this regard, stablecoin transactions are more efficient, as they are not subject to the limitations of fiat money. Global accessibility and the elimination of financial barriers are crucial issues. In this regard, stablecoins offer an innovative and practical solution for those seeking a more accessible way to conduct transactions worldwide. Stablecoins can be used anywhere in the world, removing geographical barriers as a problem. With the use of stablecoins, people can conduct transactions anytime, anywhere. Therefore, they are an ideal option for those seeking a more accessible way to do business. Stablecoins have the potential to revolutionize how people conduct transactions, eliminating financial barriers and promoting global accessibility. One of the greatest advantages of using stablecoins is protection against market volatility. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies, stablecoins are designed to maintain a stable value, which means their price doesn't fluctuate like other cryptocurrencies. This is particularly relevant for those conducting transactions in the financial market, as volatility can significantly impact the value of their assets. By using stablecoins, investors can safeguard themselves against market volatility, keeping the value of their assets constant. Furthermore, stablecoin transactions are faster and more efficient than fiat currency transactions. This allows investors to make more informed and timely decisions in the market. Using stablecoins allows users to avoid the need to provide personal information, such as names and addresses, often required for fiat currency transactions. Additionally, some stablecoins offer additional privacy features, such as the ability to hide the transaction amount and the recipient's wallet address. In an increasingly digital world, privacy is becoming a significant concern for many individuals, and the stablecoin sector offers a practical and effective solution to protect it. Cryptocurrency adoption may seem intimidating for beginners, but stablecoins have made it easier than ever. These digital currencies are designed to maintain a stable value relative to a fiat currency, making them more straightforward for the general public to understand. Additionally, most stablecoins can be stored in user-friendly digital wallets. Users can also purchase stablecoins on exchanges using credit or debit cards, eliminating the complexities of mining or trading cryptocurrencies. In summary, the ease of adopting stablecoins makes them a smart choice for those seeking a simpler way to use cryptocurrencies in their daily transactions. Financial inclusion remains a significant challenge in underdeveloped countries. Many people lack access to formal banking services, limiting their ability to save and participate in the digital economy. Stablecoins, such as USDT, have tremendous potential to increase financial inclusion in these countries. As a form of stable digital currency, stablecoins provide a secure and accessible alternative to cash. People can use stablecoins for daily transactions, such as bill payments or sending money to family members. Additionally, stablecoins are easy to use and can be stored in digital wallets, accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. Essentially, stablecoins have the potential to democratize access to financial services and promote financial inclusion worldwide. The advantages of using stablecoins in daily transactions outweigh the disadvantages. They are an attractive option for those seeking a secure, stable, and efficient way to conduct daily financial transactions, both locally and globally. These currencies stand out for their security, stability, and efficiency, making them highly valued by those looking for a reliable transaction method. Additionally, stablecoins enable faster and more convenient transactions, making them an appealing alternative to traditional payment methods. In terms of costs, stablecoins also offer a competitive advantage as they eliminate the need for intermediaries and reduce transaction fees. Finally, the use of stablecoins can facilitate access to financial services for those without access to traditional banking services. In summary, stablecoins are a secure, stable, and efficient option for daily transactions, offering numerous advantages for individuals and businesses alike. That's it for today's episode of Remitano Learn. We hope you found this information valuable. Stay tuned for more exciting episodes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow us on our other social media. And if you're new to Remitano, don't forget to register through the link in the description.